What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another whiteboard lesson. Today I'm going to give you a case for Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Why Dogecoin $1 is imminent and why Bitcoin 100,000 is imminent. Now, I've been saying 100,000 for Bitcoin since 2023 when Bitcoin was at $20,000, and a lot of you have made money. Similarly, Dogecoin, I've been telling you guys to buy Dogecoin when it was at 16 cents. Now, of course, it pulled back to that level, but it did go to 22 cents where I sold. But my actual prediction is still $1, and there's a reason behind that. So I'm going to give you my take on this, and we're going to end up buying Dogecoin pretty soon, okay? Because it's time. I think after pulling 18,000, I'm beginning to like Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is just like Bitcoin. Just believe it or not. Bitcoin has something called community behind it. But now, of course, it's mass adoption. You've got ETFs and whatnot. Dogecoin has retail activity behind it, and you might call it a cryptocurrency or a joke crypto. All of that, okay, it's fine, okay? But it has one thing, retail interest. Cryptocurrency, what causes cryptocurrency to go up in value? Well, retailers. So when you notice any rally, any bull market activity, you notice Dogecoin actually ends up taking some of that interest or buyers' interest, even though it has, I think, 150 billion in circulating supply. 150 billion is a lot, which means if Dogecoin goes to $1, that's 150 billion market cap. And I think traders and retailers, they look at that market cap and they get scared when they see a market cap for a crypto that is getting high, like it's about to exceed Solana or Ethereum. They sell it because they don't think it can exceed Solana or Ethereum. But if you haven't forgotten, well, 2017 I was there, and I can tell you guys, XRP was like, I think, third in market cap. And now Dogecoin is replaced XRP, I believe, in market cap. So Dogecoin is this thing that has mass marketing, that you could say, or everybody knows about it. 2021 was like a market campaign for it. So look, all of these, the chart means nothing to me, right? I could do the chart for you and tell you, 16 cents is the support. Sure, 16 to 15 cents is the support for Dogecoin, because I doubt it will go back to 10 or lower digits, 10 cents and whatnot. So around 15 cents is the lows of Dogecoin, which means even if you buy in the next half of 2024, going into 2025, you have presidential elections, you've got interest rate cuts, which means more money is going to be at the pockets of retail investors and traders. So you will actually see a lot of money flowing into the crypto world, and that's why I say Bitcoin 100,000 is imminent. Even more, 100,000 is nothing with the way things are going. So Dogecoin, you'll see, I think $1 is like imminent. But I sold and took 18,000 recently because I believed there was going to be a final pullback before the bull market begins. And that's surely something we've seen. I've been telling people, guys, we're not in a bull market. Everybody says, we're in a bull market. We ran up by X and X. You're telling me we're not, right? And I was right. So, $1 remains for Dogecoin for one simple reason. It is something that's a noticeable crypto like Bitcoin, all right? Everybody knows about it. You ask anybody about Dogecoin, they'll say, yeah, I know it. And if millennials know about it, their parents know about it, right? So everybody's going to end up buying Dogecoin at some stage. And it's like a fork of actual Litecoin. So it's a fork of Bitcoin and just a better version. It's just there is bigger circulation. Okay? So that's the Dogecoin experience. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin, guys, is the same thing, okay? Bitcoin is the hedge against everything that's going on in this world today. What's going on in this world? Well, we have wars, interest rate cuts are delaying. You've got, I guess, the halving is not going to do much for it, but it's just It's the hedge against the American dream that's falling apart slowly. Believe it or not, the US dollar. So we noticed when I told you at 25,000 to buy Bitcoin, we're now saying at 70,000. Okay? It's only 30,000 away, guys, to 100K. It's not much. It's 30,000 to 100K, which means Bitcoin most likely, this bull market will end up at somewhere in the range of 150 or 170, okay, per coin. So again, that's back to our Dogecoin. It means minimum for Dogecoin is going to be $1. That's in the peak bull markets. I don't know if Dogecoin is going to see $1 in peak. It might even be less than the peak. The peak, it might go to 2. Nobody knows. Okay? But the most notable cryptos are the ones that get to see the money first. And that's why I tell you guys, Dogecoin has that potential. Okay? For Bitcoin, you're going to see that 100,000 minimum coming up. And that will actually result or translate into mining stocks seeing some buying pressure, because right now after the halving, what's going to happen, Bitcoin is going to basically, the mining stocks or the mining companies are going to get the reward halved, which means it will cost them more, double what they used to make one Bitcoin, or whatever the reward is. I think it's going to be 3 Bitcoins per block. I can't remember the exact number, but the revenue is going to be slashed in half. But these miners, if Bitcoin goes to 100,000, they'll be back to where they were in 2024, or the peak of I think for Mara is $34. They'll be back there because Bitcoin has gone up. So it replaces that cut reward. And that's the next investment, is mining stocks. Now, mining stocks also play as a hedge against the overall market. If money is scared and it wants to get out from equities because of what's going on in the world, or there's US dollar fear, money flows into mining stocks and Bitcoin. Okay? So this is something to have in your portfolio. And this is something you'll see me swing trading often as well. Of course, based on the timing that I have for each trade. Okay, guys, that's me done. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I'll see you very soon. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Let me know what you want me to cover in the next couple of videos, which stocks or cryptos. Peace.